What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another. Why did I hear? Okay. Oh, that is them. Ugh. Yeah, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Kanina, and it's Monday. Monday, y'all. My video. It's gonna be a little late. Well, as y'all can see, I'm recording now at 3. Y'all, I've been sick. Yesterday I didn't feel too good. This weekend we had a blended family reunion, so I got some footage for my vlog, and that's about it. But y'all, I was feeling hard. Yesterday I stayed in bed all day yesterday, man. Y'all, I was like sick. So I'm like, man, what is this? It's a. Anyway, y'all, let's just hop into it. So we're gonna go ahead and hop into what we're chopping up today about healthy living, and I'm gonna give you guys some tips about um, for physical, mental, and emotional wellness. So, living a healthy lifestyle is essential for our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. So, I'm gonna give you guys some tips on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. So the first one you want to do is exercise regularly. Exercise is essential for maintaining physical health. So regular exercise can help improve cardiovascular health, reduce the risk of chronic disease, and improve mental health. So you need to aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise per day, such as walking, jogging, or cycling. Incorporating strength training exercises can also help build muscle and improve overall fitness. So, 30 minutes a day exercising, get you some cardio. Walking, jogging, or cycling, that's cardio. So, get you some 30 minutes of cardio a day, and strength training like weights and stuff like that. So, the next thing, you want to eat a balanced diet. Um, Eating a balanced diet is essential for maintaining physical health. A balanced diet includes a variety of nutrient dense foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats. So, you want to avoid processed foods like sugary drinks, excessive amounts of sugar, trans fats, saturated fats. Instead, focus on whole natural foods that provide the nutrients your body needs, and get enough sleep. Oh my God, I felt like crap yesterday, y'all, for real. Like, and all I did, I couldn't do anything. Like, I stayed in the bed. And when I say I woke up this morning at like 7 this morning, I was like, whoa, okay. I felt refreshed. But I still like I'm still having I still have like a pain, like really sharp pain. So, but you wanna aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. And establish a regular sleep routine and help improve sleep quality. So you want to avoid electronics before bed. Create a calming bedtime routine that can help you relax and unwind. So me and my husband, we normally just like to listen to, on the PlayStation. There's this like the home screen. You can listen to the music there, and it's just soothing. It's soothing to us, really. So you want to practice stress management techniques. The next one. Stress stress can have a negative impact on both physical and mental health. So practice stress management techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to help reduce stress levels. Identify sources of stress in your life and develop strategies to manage them effectively. So you know, get some meditation in, get some yoga, deep breathing exercises, like I was telling you guys in the a couple of videos back. Um, if you don't want to sign up for the meditation courses or sessions, download the Calm app. It's the same thing. It's basically the same thing, but download the Calm app and you'll have the meditation at your fingertips if you don't want to do the one-on-ones with me. Either way, you reduce stress. Either way, you feel better. So that's what you want. That's the outcome you want. So the next one would be to maintain social connections. Social connections are essential for emotional wellness. So maintain relationships with friends and family and develop new social connections through activities such as volunteering or joining a club. So put yourself out there, meet new people, join new clubs, and maintain the relationships you do have already with family and friends. The next one would be to practice self care. Self care is essential for both physical and mental health. So take time for yourself each day to do something that you enjoy, whether it's reading a book, taking a bath, or going for a walk. Prioritize your own needs and practice self compassion to help improve overall well being. So, and the last one on this list is limit alcohol and substance use. So, alcohol and substance use can have a negative impact on your well being. So, and your mental health, both your physical and mental health and well being. So, limit alcohol consumption to moderate levels and avoid using drugs or any other substances that can be harmful to your health. So, in conclusion, living a lifestyle of healthy living is essential for maintaining physical, mental, and emotional well being by incorporating regular exercise, a balanced diet, adequate sleep, stress management techniques, social connections, self care, and limiting alcohol and substance use. You can maintain optimal health and well being, and that's what you want. So, you want to live healthy. You want to live a healthy, long life. So, and that's all of a part of manifesting greatness. All right, so y'all, this is your girl, Kanina. Y'all, oh man, when I tell you my stomach hurts, like hell, I mean, I am in so much pain right now, y'all. But it's like, oh well, I'll deal with it. I'll be all right. But yeah, but anyway, y'all, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, cut your notifications on to get every video that I drop. And my bad, you guys, I know this video is late, but it's coming. So, and don't forget to, if you guys want the sessions, the one-on-one sessions, you guys can purchase them down below. We have the meditation one-on-one session. We have the business building one-on-one session. And you can also purchase purchase the Dirty 30 guide to wealth down below as well. So you guys, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Peace.